my dear students. Once again I am welcoming you on this online class. We completed our poem number 1, Self-Reliance. First poem we completed. Now we have to learn our unit number 1. And the name of our unit number 1 is A Tiger in the House. You are getting confusion now by reading the name of the lesson. Fact or not? No one is keeping tiger in the house. Fact or not? But what happened in our author's house? We will get everything. What happened in the lesson? How is that tiger cub? When we are going to learn the lesson. But who written this lesson? This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. One small question I would like to ask you. In previous class also you learned one supplementary reading written by Ruskin Bond. Are you remembering or not? Are you remembering? Which was that? What was the name of that supplementary reading? The New Flower. The name of the supplementary reading was The New Flower, and that supplementary reading was also written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a very famous author in English. Where he born, how many awards he took. Let us learn small information about our author. Who written this lesson? This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. See here, your textbook page number 11. I am reading about. He is author also. Author means writing stories. Poet means writing poem, and even he is a poet also. Few poems also he had written. Ruskin Bond, Indian author of British descent, born in 1905-1934. When he born? 1905-1934. Still he is there. Ruskin Bond still there. Awarded Sahitya Academy Award. How many awards he got? See here. He got Sahitya Academy Award when he got 1992. He got Padma Shri in 1999 for his contribution to children's literature. He now lives with his adopted family in Landour near Mussoorie. In 1992 he honored with the award. Which one that? That was the Sahitya Academy Award, and India's second highest award, that is Padma Shri. He got Padma Shri award even when he got that one he awarded with Padma Shri in 1999. Now where he is living? He is living near the Landour, near Mussoorie. Now you came to know about our author. But related to lesson, I would like ask few questions to you. Is it or not? Those questions which I would like to ask you, your textbook page number 1. See here, I am reading this one. After reading, you must have to observe your textbook also. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetah cubs in his hand. See, in your textbook page number 1, this is the forest guard. Who is he? He is a forest guard. Which work doing forest guard? What is the work of forest guard? Forest guard is giving protection to the wild animals who are going to kill them, who are coming to hunt them. Those are giving them protection to take care of wild animals, those who are living in the forest. That work who doing this forest officer and forest guard is doing. A pair of cheetah cubs in his hand. Cheetah baby is calling cheetah cub. Pair means 2. They were abandoned by their mother. Abandoned means what? Left completely and forever. Their mother is not living with them. Small cheetah cub there, see, small. Why did she do that? Why her mother? Why those cheetah cubs' mother left them? We don't know. Really we don't know. But what will this man do with them? Forever mother left to this cheetah cub. Now what this guard will do with this cheetah cub? He will take them to his officer, who will send them to a veterinarian for a checkup. Veterinary doctor, you know. Veterinary doctor means what? The person who is taking doctor trained to sick animals. A doctor who is taking care of the sick animals. This guard where he will take? He will take to his officer. And that officer where will take? Officer will send them to the veterinary doctor for checkup. The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health. After checking, doctor what will do? What is the age of that cheetah cub and how is their health? Doctor will tell. Perhaps he will also tell them whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Doctor will tell properly. Those are really cheetah cub are there or leopard are there. Do you know that in olden days people trained cheetahs to hunt deer? But what will happen to those poor cub now? What will the forest department do in a case like this? Ask your teacher about this thing. What will happen? See here, this to whom this cheetah cubs got? These cheetah cubs got to whom got? To forest officer. Surely this forest officer won't hurt, won't harm anything. They will take good suggestions from doctor and finally where they will leave them? Finally once again they will leave the forest after giving some kind of treatment. Read the story at home first and then in the class follow the teacher's model reading. Keep reading it at home again and again. See here, you must shout to read the lesson. Make and increase your reading habit. Reading habit is a very good habit. We are giving you, myself giving you homework. Are you reading when I am giving you homework? So, you must have to read the lesson. Now, we have to start the lesson. I am going to teach you lesson. See here, page number 1, paragraph number 1. Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Tera. At first, the tiger cub was named Timothy by grandmother, who was brought up entirely on the milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook, Mahmoud. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. See, who got this tiger cub? Our author, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's grandfather this tiger cub. Where he got it? He got that one discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle. Expedition, you learnt, a journey for certain purpose. When his grandfather went for expedition, there he got this tiger cub. Where it was that particular place? It was Terai jungle near Tera. And who brought that one to the home? Ruskin Bond's grandfather brought that tiger cub to the house. And who given name Timothy to that tiger cub? His grandmother given name Timothy to that tiger cub. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother given name to that tiger cub as a Timothy, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook. Beginning, when that tiger came, it was too small. How one small baby we are feeding by bottle, milk bottle we are giving. Same way, this tiger cub also entirely means completely, without giving other kind of food, full some days, completely given milk to that tiger cub. Who given milk? Their cook. What was the name of that cook? Name of the cook was Mahmoud. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on a diet of that milk was not sufficient to him and They changed their diet. And what was his diet? His diet, raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by more tempting diet for pigeons and rabbits. Attracting, tempting means attracting. Carnivores there, is it or not? Wild animals, carnivores. Giving milk was not sufficient. To attract that tiger cub, after some days, changed that tiger cub's diet. And what started to give him? Started to give him raw mutton, cod liver oil and pigeons and rabbits. Why change the diet? Because the diet which was started by Cook Mammoth, just it was milk and which was not sufficient to Timothy. So Timothy's diet changed. I will meet you in the next class with second paragraph. Till then,